What does it look like? What does it sound like when you are persuading someone, or if that's hard, when someone's trying to, what's this word? Persuade you. Why are you giving that information? That's right.
Because we want to be informed.
You want to be
Informated.
You want to be informed, or you want to inform other people. And if they don't agree, what do you want to do?
Convince them.
How do you persuade or convince someone? Yes, Ija.
By giving reasons why you think that.
You give them reasons why you think what you do.
Example?
You give them examples of why it's a good thing to do or believe.
And make them understand your point.
Make them understand your point. We're going to learn how to write in order to what, class? In order to persuade. So we are going to be very persuasive. And we're going to get good at what? Persuasion. We are going to learn to identify the, what word is this, class? The structure. The structure of a persuasive paragraph, so that we can write effective, persuasive text. Transition words. And what does trans mean? It means across, to link, right? Words that are going to link different parts of our paragraph together. Let's focus. So, topic. Point 1, support, support. Point 2, support, support. Point 3, support, support. Conclusion. To start, we use what color? Green. Okay, let's get going, right? And then to slow down for the main points, we use what color? Yellow. Slow down. To stop for those important details, we use red. And when we conclude, we have to go back, go again, so we use green. I want you to read it all the way through with me, listen in, and start figuring out what are the parts you already know. It's ban soda machines from campus. So I'm already thinking, ban. I need to know what that word means. I almost know what the topic is. It's soda machines from campus, and I know I have to either be for this or against this. So I wonder what ban means. Does it have anything to do with, like, banish? This time I'm going to stop after every sentence, and I want you to tell me what part of this paragraph do you think it is? What is it doing? Okay, so first sentence. Walk on almost every school campus. Let's see if the next two sentences support that these are not healthy. And so I'm going to use my red now. These drinks are filled with sugar. Ooh. Filled with sugar. Is that healthy? Decide which sentence is the second main point. In what color?
Green. Yellow.
Yes, it's the slow down. We're going to write a paragraph together, and you're going to tell me all of the parts of that paragraph. Give me some ideas of why it's a good idea for students to wear uniforms on campus. Yes? Represent your school. At your tables. 1 minute. How would you hook readers?
Have you ever wondered how uniforms provide security and integrity to your school campus?
Sometimes, instead of a question, the have you ever wondered? I was thinking about that. It might work as a statement, too. School uniforms provide
Integrity and security to your school campus.
At your tables, once again, put together a topic sentence.
Some facts that uniforms provide you are security. Also, it's a good way to represent your school. The students look more formal and serious into the campus and outside the campus.
That's very good. You've got the three main ideas. When you write it, you're going to condense those three ideas, because right now there are 3 sentences and it sounds like a run-on. We know how a persuasive paragraph, what the structure is. We know what those words are, those transition words that hook all the parts together. And we wrote one, a pretty good one, together using all of these. We even got that in as our counter argument. Very smart. This is your exit slip. You'll give this to me when you leave. Answer one of these questions. What's the most important thing I learned today? Or, how would I explain what I learned today to a friend who wasn't in class?
We learned how to persuade a paragraph in a counter-argument.
Counter-argument. We learned how to put a counter-argument in a persuasive paragraph. Yes, we did. As a group, you're going to write a persuasive paragraph in the structure that we broke apart and then in the structure that we wrote together. What's the first part, class? Okay, the introduction. And the introduction includes how many things? Two things. What's the first thing? All right, we've got to have an interesting hook. When we introduce each of our main points, we want another signal word. Give me some of them that we know we can use. First of all is a good one. I heard another one that's just like furthermore. Moreover. In your planner, you're going to first write your topic. We'll think about a good hook later, but you know what you chose, so let's write that topic sentence. Then we're going to get the counter argument out of the way. I'll come around and help you with that. Your 3 reasons.
Moreover.
Where is the second main idea?
Right here. Have a little break between classes.
It's supposed to be
No, the secondly.
You did a good job with ideas. Now let's get them down into good sentences. School should start later because we need more time to sleep, to eat breakfast, and to be ready for school. You took a stand and you gave us your 3 main points. Okay, I'm thinking what I want to read next is the counter-argument. We're going to jigsaw parts of a paragraph together. You're going to have to read through the sentences and try to reorganize them in a persuasive structure. What tells you it's the topic?
practicing. No, Will, you're still reading this one. You still. Oh, okay.
What have we learned that's going to help us in our writing? All right, talk for a minute at your tables.
I learned how to organize the sentences, put together my paragraph.
This table, what'd you learn?
We get more related from persuasive paragraph, so it's more facile for us to recognize and write a persuasive paragraph.